this is a book which is like, so this customer of ours, they have their own trade show, a conference kind of thing in Vegas. Okay. And, jobbers or their B2B customers, they come and they buy from them. And during this trade show, if they buy, let's say $10,000 worth, then there are promotions. If they buy from a particular brand like 3M or American Eagle, $15,000 worth, then there are other promotions. There are different promotions that are published in this in this book from different manufacturers, right? So a company who wants to, they come to a trade show to place these large orders. And the way they were placing orders was going through this book, and the sales rep will walk the floor next to them, get to know about the promotions, and then they try to meet and get those promotions. And it was a long process. What we did is we came up with a mobile app, and we bought like few hundred, iPads and gave it to those customers. And they walked the floor, and the iPad would tell you that, okay, if you add only $100 worth of more 3M products, then you will be qualified for 5% discount, those kind of things. So the buying process became very easy, and we replaced this fat
okay.
And just imagine printing this book, an amount of energy and effort it goes into it. Plus it is so inconvenient. So those things are going away. It is legacy. I still receive a big book from Uline for office supplies and all those things. I don't buy that much office supply, and I always wonder that, is it really working? There are still companies that are doing that and they're using that. So there's so much of B2B merchants that are still sticking to this old way of doing things that needs to change, and we have firsthand seen rapid transition from doing this way of business to online commerce and B2B enablement.